Withdrawing money from an online platform to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the platform where your funds are held by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdraw section. Once logged in, look for the option labeled Withdraw, Transfer, or Cash Out. This is usually found in Account Dashboard or under Account Settings. Step 3. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account you wish to transfer funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you may need to provide your bank details and verify your account. Step 4. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount of money you want to withdraw. Ensure that you are aware of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that may apply. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and bank account information. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your withdrawal. Keep an eye on your bank account to see when the funds arrive, as processing times may vary.